settings, you can first see a catalog over here. So as you know that I have created this platform for the food delivery. So if you want a catalog like if you want to see only veg filter or non-veg filter, you can enable this from here. And if you need to need an approval for the product to the admin, you need to enable this. And if you want, now moving to the menu, by enabling this, it will allow the restaurant to design their menu according to the time of the day. Okay, now in the business categories, you can also set up the categories as per your preference, and if you don't want any category on your platform, you just simply need to switch off this, and then you're not able to set up any categories. Now moving to the checkout. On the checkout setting, first of all, you can see there is an side order. This will allow a restaurant to define their order product that accomplish the customer main order. And in the outstanding payment, let's suppose an customer placed an order, and it will be packed up and the customer will cancel due to any reason, and it will, by enabling this, it will be charged to the customer for your next order. While okay, and you have also a payment option over here, like whether it is cash on delivery or pay later. You just simply need to enable or disable this options from here, and the payment settings as well. Okay, and if you want to create a checkout template for the customers, you can also do it from here. And now moving to the delivery settings. In the delivery settings, you can see first of all the delivery modes. If you have a whether you have a takeaway or home delivery, and the pick up and drop, it's all up to you. You can set up from here, and if you can also set up the delivery time from here. As you can see, I have written down the 30 minutes, and you need to click on the save button, and you get to go, bro. Now, now moving to the delivery flow by the token. So in this, the token will be integrated to the yellow dashboard, and you can create your own. You can also create your own agent from here, and you can also set up the distance-wise delivery charge from here. Like you can give charge to the customer according to the distance. For this option, you need to integrate token with your yellow dashboard. So now moving to the merchant delivery management by token. By turning on this toggle to allow the stores to manage their delivery operation by tracking vehicle, optimizing route, automatic dispatch. It's all because of the token integrated with yellow. Okay, now moving to the external delivery charge. You can also, if you want any external delivery charge, you can need to switch on this, and you can set up the delivery charge from here and click on the save button. Your delivery charge will be created on your yellow dashboard. So moving to the merchant-wise delivery charge, and this will define the delivery charged at the restaurant level. Okay, by enabling this. So you can also set up the estimate time for arrival. So you just simply need to write it down the Google API key over here and save button, and then your estimate time of arrival will be created for your customers. So you can also set up a tip for the agents. Like you can need to select the tip type from here, and you can enable or disable these toggles and click on the save button. Your tip will be created. So this is all about the delivery. Now moving to the orders. In the order settings, first of all, you can set up the accept reject order from here. Like if you want that whenever an order is placed on your website, first of all, it will be up to admin hands whether it accepts or rejects the order. you need to enable this, or if you don't want that access on your yellow dashboard, you need to disable this. So moving to the edit orders. In this, by enabling this, it will allow the admin to edit the order before they are accepted by the admin restaurant. Okay, so in moving to the buffer time for task to be reflected on token. So you can also set up from here, as you can see I have set up 120 minutes, and you can also set up as per your preference. So you can also do taggings from here, like if you want to define task here as specified on the token, and it will be if you create a tag for a product, and it will you have your yellow dashboard is integrated with token, and it will be automatically assigning to any of the agent with the same tag by enabling this. So if you want rating and reviews for the merchant on the platform, you can enable this from here. Now moving to the cancellation, if you need a cancellation reasons, try to write it down by the customers. You need to enable these, and if you need create any policies regarding cancellation, you can also set up from here as well. Now moving to the commissions. If you want to set up a commission, you can also do it from here, like if it will be set up set fixed amount or set a percentage. If you need to write it down the commission value or commission transfer, whether it is offline or online, it's all up to you. And you can also set up the tire wise commission as well by clicking on the edit button over here, and then you need to fill all the information required, and then you're good to go. So this is all about the order settings.